Hello everyone, welcome back to Code to Cloud Academy. In this video, I am sharing my recent Mphasis Java Backend Developer interview experience. The interview was conducted virtually on the 18th of December 2025 for a senior Java Backend Developer role with Spring Boot and Microservices. Let's go through the exact questions that were asked in the technical round. Java. Question 1. What are virtual threads in Java 21 and how do they differ from platform threads? Question 2. Explain the difference between record, class, and sealed class. Question 3. How does pattern matching for switch work in Java 17+? Question 4. What is the internal working of concurrent hash map? Question 5. Explain completable future, then apply, vs the end compose. Question 6. What are text blocks and where are they useful? Question 7. How does Java handle memory management using G1 or ZGC? Question 8. What is the difference between equals and hash code and why is it important? Spring and Spring Boot. Question 9. How does Spring Boot auto configuration work internally? Question 10. What is the difference between component, service, and repository? Question 11. How do you handle global exception handling in Spring Boot? Question 12. How does Spring Boot externalize configuration for different environments? Question 13. How do you secure REST APIs using JWT in Spring Boot? Question 14. What is the role of Spring Boot Actuator in production? Question 15. Explain transaction propagation in transactional. Question 16. How do you integrate Kafka with Spring Boot? Microservices. Question 17. What are the advantages and challenges of microservices architecture? Question 18. Explain the Saga pattern for distributed transactions. Question 19. How do you implement service-to-service communication securely? Question 20. What is eventual consistency and how do you handle it? Coding questions. Question 21. Write a Java program to find the first non-repeating character in a string. Question 22. Implement a function to reverse a linked list. Question 23. Write a program to find the longest substring without repeating characters. Others. Question 24. Write a SQL query to fetch the second highest salary from an employee table. Question 25. How do Kafka partitions help with scalability? Question 26. What is a consumer group in Kafka? Question 27. What is the difference between a Docker image and a Docker container? Question 28. What are liveness and readiness probes in Kubernetes? Question 29. How do you implement idempotent REST APIs? Question 30. What is API versioning and why is it required? Question 31. How does Kubernetes handle auto-scaling? Question 32. What is the difference between synchronous REST calls and asynchronous messaging? Question 33. What is a dead letter queue, DLQ? Question 34. How do you secure secrets in cloud-based applications? Question 35. What is the difference between blue-green and canary deployments? Question 36. How do you monitor microservices in production? Question 37. What is horizontal vs vertical scaling in cloud environments? These were the real questions asked in the Mphasis Java Backend Developer technical interview for 5 to 8 years experience. If you are preparing for Java, Spring Boot, Microservices, Kafka, Docker, or Kubernetes interviews, make sure you understand these topics deeply. Watch the full interview preparation playlist on my channel. If you want to grow as a developer, please do not forget to subscribe.